welcome back to my channel. We're in Yosemite. This is a video of our adventures. Hi Len. Hi Lucas. Your dad say hi.
Hi there. Are you taking a video right now?
Yes.
You can open the top.
Okay, well. Hello everyone, this is our ride.
Coolest in the world. Or that one right there, huh? Just
So, say hello you guys.
I need to sit up.
What? Say hi.
Hi!
Hello. Oh, it's a video?
Yes, it's a video for memes.
Hello.
And these are Lucas's hammocks. Hammocks. And our tent that fits one person that 4 people are staying in, and a bear box. So we don't attract bears that will come and eat us. Not a big deal. It's not that serious.
If that tent fits one person, how many does that fit?
12. That fits an ant. Not A-U-N-T. A-N-T. See you later, y'all.
Let's go swimming.
Yeah, we should. Hi, guys. I'm in the video now.
Hello.
We out here. We camping or whatever. Videographer today. Would you like to say hello?
Oh, hello. Is it a vlog? Am I gonna be on the YouTube?
You're gonna be on the
toenail clippers?
Yeah, my dad has some.
Really?
Yeah. They're more fingernails.
What'd you ask for?
I don't know if it would work for toenails, but.
Tweezers.
Hi.
I'm tired. I'm gonna be constipated. High altitudes make you constipated and dehydrated.
I think our discussion got me
Hi.
Hi. I'm gonna put this in the
You need to
car.
poop now?
What?
You need to poop now? Yeah?
I gotta go.
You got it on video.
I gotta go. Mom, come here, be in my video. Look at nature girl Michelle. Hey, making my way downtown. Walking fast, faces fast and
Mom, can you ask Don for the toenail tweezers?
Toenail tweezers?
Toenail tweezers. You pluck your toenails out. So mom made us breakfast this morning. What did we have?
It was good.
We had pancakes. Thanks to nobody for answering. We had pancakes. We had eggs. I know. I said, what did we have? Nobody answered.
Okay, I made a breakfast burger. It was really good, and I used the pancakes as a bun. I put the egg on top
Sick.
of the burger.
Oh man, that's rad. Give me. That's what I'm talking about.
Nobody
Yeah,
spill
bro.
my coffee, please.
Where can I prop this up so I can make this video?
Shiny as hell.
Mine?
I'm gonna put this right here.
Bounce on the log instead.
Is this the vlog?
The vlog on the log.
It's more like it's the vlog and the broken star.
Alright, day 2. Our first full day here. We are going hiking.
I feel like this is gonna turn into a horror movie.
I know, this is how every horror movie starts. You're in the woods, someone's recording, and then
Having a good time.
And then something hops out and everyone's dead. We're probably gonna find a creek to swim in.
We have the river
And
right there. We were gonna go look at the raft.
There is a river right there, but
Lenny
I
says
think
kiss
we
my
wanted to
butt.
hike further though and find some body of water. I kind of wanted to do a longer hike.
But I'd rather go in the water.
We could hike and then go in the water. I feel like it would be more rewarding if we went further and then found water. Because then we'd be hot and sweaty and we'd be like, yeah, let's get in.
Dude, the place here? Permanently.
Squirrel.
Bear.
Dude, we are right by
I was singing Mom Right. Which fall is this? This is lower. Lower Yosemite Falls. Hi parents, say hi.
Hello.
What are we doing now?
Waiting to eat and Eleni to cook some corn.
That's right. Cook that corn, girl.
I'm getting tired already.
What in tarnation is going on? You look like a monkey. Do a flip. Do a flip.
A little flip.
Oh, I should have said that. Do a flip.
I can do that. Give me a sec.
Do a freaking flip.
You're impatient. Wait.
Oh my god. Wait. I'm regretting this decision. Don't do a flip. Whoop.
Oh my gosh.
You did a flip. Right on, man. Oh, that was freaking sick. Oh my god. That
Thanks,
was
bro.
sick.
Thanks.
I finally got a good tripod set up. Come sit with me. Day 3. Today, I know, this tripod is like not working. Today we are going hiking on the long trail that should take us 6 hours because yesterday we tried to go on a hike and how did that go? It was like a stroll up some rocks. Yeah, it wasn't a hike. Probably do more walking in our house. Walking to the fridge. But it was cool. We got to a waterfall and took some cool pictures. I got a really nice picture of Half Dome. Ate some Scooby snacks. Ate some freaking Scooby snacks. And now we have to wait 20 minutes for our coffee because we're making it via percolator. Yes, there's a huge dragonfly in our tent. Hey Lucas, would you like to join? You look like our director back there.
Yeah. What's a percolator?
It's that thing on the...
It's actually called a percolator?
Yeah.
Ew, look how many bugs are in that.
Ooh. I don't really want my battery to die, but I feel like, did we cover all the grounds?
All of the grounds have been covered. She wants this on video.
No, I just wanted your face in it.
Hello.
Oh. Now we're about to
Bye.
eat eggs and yummy things and donuts. Bye. So today we are, I already told you, but we're going on a hike and he's making a spear of sort, walking stick. Now we're shimmying. This is what we do in Yosemite. We're all shimmying. Ooh, go mama. Ooh, shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Here's a river. You got it. Hey, is this one of those rocks, Dad?
Wait, are we hardcore parkouring this piece?
Are these one of those rocks? Well, what the? Okay. King of the mountain. Parkour. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Whoa.
So many trees. And we're just walking to our hiking destination. Hi, cute mommy.
Hi, cute baby.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get some good footage, but it's very loud and very misty over here. We are at the waterfalls. And there's a great view if you go back around this rock right here, but I can't go too close with my camera or it will get wet. So yeah. So we found our own way to take showers now, since we were blindsided the fact that there are no showers here.
Well, you can use it to wash your pits too. Just use it for that too. Okay, stand right there. This is where our shower is. You have to bend over like right
It's
there.
our shower.
No, come stand like right here. Ready?
You're next, mother. Day 3 out here in these streets. We all showered and
Getting ready to play some tabli.
yeah, and mom's washing her hair. We got a fire going. And now we are using this here log as a table for our game.
Let's get this party started right.
I mean, not to boast or anything, but I did beat you the first time and I'm planning on doing it again. So don't get your hopes up. I might crush your dreams. I consider myself quite the dream crusher, especially in this game. Oh, also, how many miles did we hike today?
I think it was like 4 or 5 miles, but it was up, steep.
Yeah, so we hiked that much. I hiked a little less because I was getting water in every crevice of my camera. My camera was tweaking out.
I got water in every one of my crevices.
It's a lot of crevices.
My
Look at
crevasses.
them in crevasses. They're in the background, washing mom's hair. So we have one last night here, and then we're leaving. I feel like I'm spying on them.
You're spying on me.
Hey, it's not good to take videos of people taking showers.
I'm spying on you.
I noticed.
Well, then I must not be a very good spy.
Want to do some shadow puppets?
How do you do shadow puppets when there's... Never mind. It was 5 and 2. Oh, it's just like this.
What is everything with showering everybody today?
What?
Eleni just likes everyone to be clean.
Lenny's like the hygienist right now.
I got Eleni and I these cool stickers.
Hopefully a face, let me moisturize my phone.
Hello. That is love right there. We take care of our father's skin in this family. We love an anti-aging king.
Thank you.
Thanks, Len. Oh, Pawns.
Look at this skin, now look at yours. You need pawns.
Thank you. Pawns, send me a PR package, thanks. We are on a mission. We are going to get ourselves some coffee from the village, some night coffee, because, you know, that's
We're
what
coffee fiends.
that's what we do out here.
I think we're going the wrong way.
Oh, we're supposed to go this way. We have to cut through because it's our last night, and so want to be able to stay up late because Lenny and I fell asleep early both the other nights, and we feel really sad about it. So we have to make the most. Of our last night. I was feeling discouraged about how dirty I felt, but now that I'm clean, I feel like I could go another week.
Yeah, now that I'm clean,
Yeah, me
I could
too.
like go on a 12-mile hike and I wouldn't
Okay,
care.
but you know what? Like, we're close enough that if we get an early start, we could probably come here for the day. Like, if
Yeah,
we get early in the
probably.
morning.
That drive wasn't that bad. It felt bad because the back seat of our rental truck is freaking small.
Yeah.
No, if we weren't camping and we took our normal car, it would be
So, like,
fine.
Yeah, it
If
would.
we just like.
Hi, y'all. Day 4 and
Home day.
we're packing up. What up, Oop? What pocket? I think it's just in her duffel, just like chilling at the top.
Oh.
We're drinking coffee.
Where's
It's okay. Cuties.
It looks like the confessional.
Oh Jesus. There are babies crying. There are people whining. We're drinking coffee and packing up, and we're really sad about it. Mom,
neck
do
hurts.
you have anything to add, Mom?
Yeehaw.
She said, yeehaw.
Get up. More
Yeah,
like
this is
get up.
Like, the camera is suspended from a tree, and Eleni's sitting on a log. Like, this is definitely a
That's our
camping
log.
video. This is our log now. Get in this, father.
Hi.
You're not, you look
He's like those cartoons where the parents'
Was it
face
like
never
the proud-
shows. Put your face in.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I can't find it.
Line watermelon candles.
That's all you need to see about me right now. Coffee. Hello. Oh, I'm not looking at the right thing, huh? It looks like I'm looking away. You're supposed to look at the lens.
Isn't this a cool setup? Okay, now I have to get
Bye.
to
It's a
packing.
pretty cool rig.
Bye, y'all. We're leaving our campsite now. We've cleared everything out. That's where our tent was. And this is where we kept all of our food. We had to lock it up so that bears wouldn't eat us alive at night, you know. And we've packed everything we own back in the truck. And 3 big humans have to fit back here. 3 big babies have to fit in this back seat.
Try to open the top of that and just get the pretzels out. Is there a bag of pretzels in there?
Don't look like it.
Did you see where the pretzels are, Irene?
Oh, they're on the back seat.
Dad, what the?
I didn't even look. I just looked in the front for the...
I feel a little sad right now. Now that we're all packed up, like, I want to be in my own bed.